All right, the question I have for this is, what can you expect for a Wi-Fi camera under 50 bucks? Now this one has night vision, pretty cool. Motion tracking, pretty cool. Pan, tilt, zoom, you can move the camera. And it has two-way audio. That's a lot of features for something this cheap. So let's take a look at it. Got the camera, about the size of a Coke can. So it feels like you'd expect for the price. No surprises there. There's a speaker grill, there's a Cat 5 jack, Ethernet, and that's where you plug it in for power. This mount is kind of neat actually. They have threads in the center, so I could put this on a tripod or a stand. It's a standard size there. Manual comes in several languages, I'm assuming. Yep, iOS, Android apps. Let's download those.
Please configure camera by AP hotspot or scanning code. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
So this is kind of fun. You can see here there is a bit of a delay on the camera. Let me control the camera here. It's pretty responsive. This is fun. Let's see how high we can go up. There's the ceiling. That's high enough. That's all right. Okay, that's as far as it goes that way. You spin it around. There's my screen. Hey, it's almost a 360, isn't it? Let's go back down. There's my office. What's that? Oh, presets. You can go, maybe it's a home button. Add the preset. We'll just do nothing, save. And, okay, so now if I move the camera all weird, I can hit home. Hey, look at that. Hey, hello? Hey, hello? Getting a lot of reverb. Get off my porch. That's okay. You're getting a lot of echo just because of the way it's set up here. Hey, how do you do motion tracking? Intelligent tracking on. All right. So I'm going to move around. Should be tracking. Oh, look at that. Now I'm sneaking around my office. Don't follow me. Okay, we got an object in the way, so it's, oh, it figured it out. I'm stealing the candy in the candy closet over here. Following. That's cool. I'm having fun. You know, I'm not paid for this video. They wanted to send it to me, and usually I say no to almost everything, but I thought this would be fun, and it's fun. Okay, so I'm going in the candy closet. Let's see what happens. Does it stay where I left? Or is it moving now? I don't know. Okay, so it kind of stays where you leave. I wonder if there's a preset that you can go back to, like a home position, if you don't see any movement. Well, also, it'd be neat if it spun around like every once in a while and just monitored the place, you know? That would be a cool feature. This is cool for, like, I think if you were going on vacation or whatever, and you just put this in the middle of your living room. You didn't want to set up a whole security camera system. I mean, you could set this up for dirt cheap, and it's pretty effective. It's kind of neat. This follow. Did it follow me? So if you go quick, it's not going to follow me. Okay. Plus that camera, my other camera's in the way. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm moving. Okay, it's okay. If you're right up near the camera, I'll have to monkey with this a little bit more. I'm having fun, to be honest. Okay, so let's turn off the lights. Let's try night vision. I got some windows here. It might not work out. Oh, night vision is on. Automatic. Now, this room's not all that dark right now anyway. Man, that's cool. Dude, for the price, I ain't complaining. We'll do a little test now. Will this send me a push notification? And also, it's supposed to only record when it detects an event, so movement or sound. Oh, look at that. I just walked into the office here, and probably within 1.5, 2 seconds, motion detected by the camera. That's cool. It worked instant. Now, what are the options for storage of your video footage? Well, they do offer a cloud subscription. It's like monthly or yearly fee for that if you want to do that. Also, they have a SD slot in here, and it's kind of hidden. Let me show you up close. Use your phone app to make the lens go all the way up, and you'll see it reveals a little micro SD card slot. And these come in absolutely unbelievable capacity now. They're just really getting huge. So we'll just shove this in here. I don't know if like that, and then we can record onto that little card. These little cards will go into a regular SD card holder, and then you can put it into your computer or whatever. The footage isn't great, all right? It's, you know, but again, for the price, you can't beat it. I am curious to see what file format it records in. MP4, great. That is an awesome format. So many times the cameras are impossible to get the footage off of just because their codecs, the recording encryption and stuff like that is so such a weird format, it's hard to get it off. That's why when you watch a lot of videos of some security camera footage, you see somebody filming the computer screen and because they can't get it off easy. I got no complaints about this. And the fact that it's a nice format. Awesome. All right, well, for the price, I gotta say you can't beat it. The features that it has and the fact that they all worked and the software was fairly intuitive. I didn't have any trouble understanding it. I didn't really even have to read the instructions. Again, if I have any issues with it, I'll update it in the video description. So check that out. If you want to pick up one of these yourself, the links are also in the video description. So thanks, ZOSI, for sending it to me. And check out my other videos for more camera systems and home repairs and all that kind of stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Have an awesome day. It is fun. It's fun. Look at this. It's like a little RC car. Where was this when I was 10?